Hello, I'm Michael Beach. I'm the founder of Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. You may have noticed some changes lately. We've changed the name of our company. We've changed our website. We've changed our logo and our tagline. Exciting things after 12 years. Why are we making all these changes? Well, we just thought it was time for a change. I've taken on a partner, Melissa Worrell-Johnson, and Melissa and I are running the company largely the same way we always have, but we want to really focus on the things that we do best. What do we do best? Elevating your leaders. We've changed the name of the company to Elevating Your Leaders on Purpose. That's what we do better than anybody. We work with owners, founders, vice presidents, C-suite executives, emerging leaders, and we help all of these people take their leadership game to a whole new level. We'd love to have the chance to show you a little bit about how we work and what we do. If you're interested, reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you. And we'll have some more information from Melissa and I right here on the website in a couple of weeks. See you then.